Okay, let's look at "And the Glory of the Lord" from the Messiah by Handel. We've covered texture mainly in the other video. Now let's look at the 4 key themes that are used in this piece. They come in after this 10-bar introduction. To count the bars, you need to count sets of 3 beats fairly quickly like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and we can hear the first theme coming in there. Now let's have a look at the instrumentation of this piece. The highest instruments are the violins. They match approximately the pitch of the soprano voices. The medium-high instruments are the violas. They match the alto voices. The medium-low instruments are the cellos. They match the tenor voices. And the lowest instruments are the double basses, which match the bass voices. Now let's look at the 4 main ideas that this piece is based on, or motifs. Motif number 1 comes in after the instrumental introduction, and it goes, "And the glory of the Lord," and that is sung by the altos. And then it is repeated and played around with all voices at different pitches. And then motif number 2 comes in, sung by the tenors, which goes like this. "Shall be revealed." Then Handel mixes these motifs around whilst introducing motif 3. This is sung by the altos again, and it goes like this. "And all flesh shall see it together." Around the same time that Handel introduces that motif 3, he introduces this motif 4, which goes, "For the mouth of the Lord have spoken it." And as you can see, that is sung by the bass voices and the tenor voices. So then Handel mixes all these motifs together, playing in canon, which means melodies that repeat over themselves, and using lots of imitation, which is repeating a melody using different parts, instruments of the orchestra. Now you may have noticed all of those motifs were really quite simple, and Handel does a lot of word painting. That is, he tries to represent the text, the meaning, through the melody. So, silly as it seems, we can say that the motif "and the glory of the Lord" is reaching up to the Lord into the heavens. We can say that motif number 2, "shall be revealed," is coming down as the Lord comes down onto earth to reveal himself. And motif number 4, "for the mouth of the Lord have spoken it," this is almost an entirely pedal point motif, almost all on the same note. So this reflects the seriousness and kind of summing up of the text.